Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening your cleanest source and saving a backup copy. Make sure you're in waveform view and then switch to spectral frequency display to see real noise. Next, find a silent section with only the unwanted hum or hiss and select it. This is critical because Audition uses that sample to learn the noise. Once selected, choose Effects, Noise Reduction/Restoration, then Capture Noise Print. This establishes the baseline the plugin will subtract from the rest of the recording. Now apply noise reduction. Process. Using the captured print, click Preview and listen closely while you tweak settings. Lower reduction % if the voice sounds underwater. Raise FFT size for cleaner spectral resolution, but watch CPU. Use smoothing and the noise floor slider to reduce artifacts. For narrow hums or tones, zoom in on the spectral view, select the offending band and use notch filters or the parametric EQ to surgically cut it. Once the voice sounds natural, commit the process to the file. To finish, run adaptive noise reduction or spectral repair for stubborn regions, but always toggle output noise only to confirm you're removing noise, not voice. Then apply a gentle high-pass filter at roughly 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble, followed by light compression or a limiter, and normalize to target LUFS for consistent level. If you hear artifacts, make incremental adjustments. Decrease reduction %, increase FFT size for detail, or switch to manual spectral repair on problem spots. Export when satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.